Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, August 25th, 2026. Let's take a look at the chart. Start with the big picture. It was the settlement 5 weeks ago below this 18-month channel bottom that is now 382.73 that set off a longer-term sell signal. In other words, over the next 3 to 5 months, we're a solid month into that now. 228.24 likely. Let's just call it by the end of the year. That is what we're anticipating. But on the way down, we'd also mentioned that there was a decent area to buy into as a 3 to 5 week swing trade, and that is the low 290s, 291.81. 291.81 is also a wave count using the same structure coming off of those early year highs. 291.81, the question is whether we're going to see it again, but the point I want to finish making is after having tested it about a month ago, we'd mentioned that we could see the 382.73 channel bottom again as a what I would call it a counter trend rally possibility. And that does, the low 380s, remain in play so long as we do not close below this rising channel bottom on the daily chart at 345.32. So this may well contain selling pressures for the week. This is a solid level to buy into for the day and for the week itself, above which by the end of next week, 382.73 in reach. On the way up, of course, we have channel resistance at 368.13. I don't know if we'll see that today. If we push through 362.86, we will. That's my opinion. 362.86, nothing more than Friday's settlement price. That is the high settlement price so far following that July low. Can contain intraday buying pressures, and above which 368.13 is likely, where we can top out for the day. Now, if we do close today above 368.13, you know what? Wednesday, Thursday, we wind up testing 382.73. This former channel bottom able to contain buying through September and the rest of the year. And once tested, we could fall away into the upper 220s within 3 to 5 months. I've also been mentioning how 382.73 is really the beginning of a wide range of long-term resistance up to 416.03 that can absorb buying for the rest of the year. I think what I'm trying to say here and have said in the past is I'm not interested in buying Tesla on a 3 to 5 month time horizon basis unless we can either A, close above 416.03, and then you've got a nice buy signal into the 550s over the following 3 to 5 months, or C, you're waiting for and bottom picking 228.24, which we are a long way from testing right now. But let me cover that right now. If we do close today below 345.32, if you're long Tesla, if you've been long, if you bottom picked the 290s about a month ago, great. And if you're still long, great. But I do think if we close below 345.32, that is your indication to exit that long position, because I'm no longer anticipating 382.73, but rather over the next 2 to 3 weeks, a return into the low 290s. On the way down, 331.94 can contain selling pressures for the balance of the day if we were to break or open today, Tuesday, below 345.32. And once again, closing below 345.32, we have a good August high, 323.78, likely then by the end of next week or sooner, and this 291.81 area within 2 to 3 weeks, where, yes, we can bottom out again on a monthly basis, perhaps. But once again, just a reminder that we are ultimately anticipating that 228.24 formation following the settlement 5 weeks ago below 382.73. And if we do close this week, which is not going to happen, but if over the next few weeks we do close below 291.81, then you've got a 1 to 2 month sell signal to 228.24. And 228.24 is the beginning of a wide zone of long-term support down to 188.11 that may well absorb selling not only through 27, but even through the rest of the decade. So this is investment grade support, I would call it, in the upper 180s to upper 220s, expected within a month or two of closing below 291.81. And we're expecting it by the end of the year anyway, below 382.73. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. Take advantage of our 2-week free trial. We also offer daily SPY, daily Triple Q, daily NVIDIA analysis that you don't see on our YouTube channel, as well as 2 stock picks a week that we put out twice. Twice, 2 stock picks a week, twice on Tuesdays and Thursdays, typically. I'm going to leave it at that for Tuesday's Daily Tesla Report, and you have a great day.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity.
Start your 2-week free trial and trade with clarity from day one.